My name's John Wilkins. I'm with Valley Tool and Manufacturing, and I'm here with our Brush Hound line of Defender mulchers for compact excavators. These units come in two sizes, a 26-inch model like I have here and a 36-inch model. These units are designed to mount on anything from 8,000 to 30,000 pounds in weight, with fluid ranges between 17 gallons a minute and 40 gallons a minute. Like all of our compact excavator mounted units, these come with complementary mounts, hoses, and flat face couplers. Here's some more specs if you'd like to learn more. For more information or to order online, visit skidsteersolutions.com.